I'm so sorry, Tanjiro. But thanks for waiting for me back there. Tanjiro, what's wrong? It's you. These people are demons, but they don't have any bloodlust. Instead, they helped me.
You two must come with me. I was ordered to escort you to her ladyship.
So you were waiting for us? I could have tracked you with my scent.
Our location is hidden by a concealment magic. You would have never found us alone.
Concealment?
Before we go, you do realize that boy's a demon, right? Talk about him.
Whoa. There was a house behind the dead end?
Get over here. Listen, make sure you don't offend her ladyship in any way. Personally, I couldn't care less what happened to an annoying hag like you. But I brought you here because she insisted. Got it?
Okay, sure. Tanjiro, are you okay? Tanjiro!
You may enter.
I've returned, my lady.
Welcome back, Yashiro. Thank you for following my instructions.
Should
Of course,
I
my
be
lady.
concerned about Tanjiro's muzzle? I didn't know he could crack it like that.
Miss Nezuko, I'm glad you came. Please, come this way.